Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lynn and welcome to Lynn's Lifestyle Living. Today I am participating in a collaboration, and this collaboration is called the Traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape. And this collaboration is being put on by Cynthiashesobless, Mysterious Alberta, and I'm myself, and I'm DIYing it, and I believe her name is Tammy. So I do have some notes here. I'm going to read some of the notes off to you about this collaboration. So rule number one is mention all three hosts in the video, and you must be subscribed to all three host channels. So rule number one is mention all three hosts in your video, and you must be subscribed to all three host channels, which I have already met. Rule number two, list the host channels and the playlist down in your description box. So they want you to list their channels and the playlist down in their description box. So put that down in your description box, all three host channels and the playlist. And be sure to go check out their channels. You will love their channels. They have some amazing content, and they do some beautiful things over on their channel. That's Cynthiashesobless, Mysterious Alberta, and I'm myself, and I'm DIYing it, and that's Tammy. Okay, rule number three, you must use the colors red, white, and green. So rule number three, you must use the colors red, white, and green, which I am loving because I love to use traditional colors anyway. So again, red, white, and green. And also they did mention that you can use some silver as long as you use the colors red, white, and green, and they just simply want you to have fun with this. Okay, rule number four, use the hashtag Traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape 2019. So use the hashtag Traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape 2019. Also, rule number five, title your video Traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape 2019. Okay. And also, rule number six, upload your video anytime after midnight on December the 15th. So you can upload your video anytime after midnight on December the 15th. And again, they just simply want you to have fun. And when you create your tablescape and using the colors red, white, and green, and if you wanted to, you can use some silver. So I'm going to take you over and let you see what I created for my Traditional Christmas Sunday Tablescape. Hope you enjoy. Okay everyone, I hope you have enjoyed this video. At this time, I would like to thank the host, Miss Cynthiashesobless, Miss Series Alberta, and Tammy over at I'm Me, I'm Myself, and I'm DIYing. Thank you ladies for hosting this collab. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lynn. I hope that you decide to stick around for a while. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to tap your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So until next time, I will see you all in my next video. And you all have a wonderful and blessed day. And I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas.